Welcome to Coffee and Tarot with Mama T. My name is Teresa, and I am I was just getting ready to do a daily 3-card draw from this deck, which is the first time I've read from it, and it was so pretty that I decided to do a quick flip through. This is First Aid for Broken Hearts Tarot by Nonara, and I just recently received it, and this is my first opportunity to get into it. It's a very soothing color palette. It just seems very gentle. It looks like it's going to be a gentle deck. I've got it separated out by the majors and the minors here, and I thought I would just I'll show you the way that I normally shuffle a deck for the first time so that I can see each of the cards and mix it up at the same time. And I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride since it is so pretty. One of the things I like about it is they have the name of the card down here, and then a key phrase on each of the cards. The deck back is not really anything special, but not terrible. The edges of the cards are this corresponding green color that fits in really nicely with the overall color palette. So the way I normally separate things out is just take a major card and then one of each of the suits, and I usually try to mix these up a little bit before I flip them over, but I'm going to just go through them in order just for the sake of the flip through here. I'll take a couple of these, and then another major, and then a couple of the next suit. And I just continue back and forth like that. It's a Queen of Wands, and all of the people in this deck, or most of the people, are very young appearing, so it is a little on the youthful side, but beautiful nonetheless. I like some of the different animal depictions than you normally see in a tarot deck, like the zebra instead of the horse for some of the pages and the knights. The giraffe with the Princess of Swords here. It's interesting. They did a princess with a man, and then on the previous one, the prince was a woman. So I do like it when things are more genderless and inclusive. This is a beautiful strength card showing this white fox instead of a lion. Let's see, what were we at? We were on swords and wands, so we'll do pentacles now. The Ten of Cups. The universe within you also encompasses you. It's a neat phrase. I just think there's going to be a lot to kind of dig into on these cards. See, this is one of the few cards that depicts somebody who's older. They mostly look very young. There's a lot of the cards with people with their backs facing away. Where am I at here? Yeah, I'll do another one of these. The Nine of Pentacles with this owl instead of a hawk. And the Wheel of Fortune with this bicycle. Let's see, I wanted to go this way. That's a really pretty Eight of Swords card. See what I mean by this being very gentle? I mean, Eight of Swords is normally a little bit of a triggering card, but with this being these butterflies, uncontrollable thoughts entangle you, refine them for a new chapter. So there's just such a gentle approach for these cards. And the wands, I like how there's the dandelions in various stages of going to seed throughout. This Hanged Man, the person is within the tree rather than just hanging from it. They've been enveloped by it. It's interesting. Very interesting. Seven of Cups. Illusion obscures reality. Thought my dogs were about to start barking, so I paused. Nope, yeah, they are about to start barking. I think I'm getting a package. The Death card here shows an older gentleman and his back is to you. There's all of these butterflies and birds and stars. Detach yourself from the endings. Welcome the rebirth. It's a nice message. The Five of Wands. Disengage yourself from rivalries and frictions. Let's see, did I already do? Yeah, I did Wands and Swords. The Five of Pentacles here. The door is always open. End the isolation to see what is beyond. And the Five of Cups. Unexpected sorrow, as is the liberty of choice in front of you. That choice and new beginning is just as unexpected as the sorrow. This is an interesting Devil card, also not triggering. Kind of has a sort of like the girls from The Shining feel to it, or Children of the Corn kind of feel. Definitely you can feel the creepiness of it, but you can also, it's also much more gentle than the usual Devil card. So the Four of Swords. Give yourself a blessing of calmness for renewal. Very pretty. And this Tower. Radical changes come with new opportunities. Hang in there. Keep the faith. The world is full of miracles. The Star card. So, Three of Swords, also typically a very triggering card, but this one is quite gentle. Release grief from disruption. Open wounds are to be healed. It's a pretty moon card. Three of Pentacles. It's a really pretty Three of Cups. The girls sitting on the moon together. The Sun. That light. So pretty. Go to the Swords. Two of Swords. Surreal. Two of Wands. The Judgment card. Elevate yourself in awakening. Show up for your life calling. And this is another one where the back of the person is depicted because she's about to embark on a new journey. And the Ace of Pentacles. The roots of your inventiveness are in full bloom with prosperity. The Ace of Cups. The seeds of love you sent out breed fresh starts. The Ace of Wands. The world of possibilities you aspire to illumination and growth. That dandelion there. And then the Ace of Swords. Unveil your knowledge and ideas. Engage them wisely. And then the World card. Orchestrate your next chorus. The completion is glorious. Very pretty deck. Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you real quick. I forgot to put my microphone on. Hopefully with my phone being very close to me, you were able to hear me. Let me know what you think about this deck. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I sure would love it if you did. I am trying to manifest in my crowd and develop my channel. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.